The Academic Enrichment Programme is a programme of events that sits alongside the students' normal academic classes, including the Model United Nations, an annual student conference, alumni coming in and telling students about their experience in the workplace. And quite often these seminars and also the events are run by the students themselves.
The events will help me in the future career, and they will definitely give me that positive boost that I would be looking for and the different skills that they're able to bring and offer me.
The Academic Enrichment Programme events are really connected to the degree courses that the students are doing.
I think that this is a brilliant opportunity to test yourself in discussion, arguments, on the statements you're making, and to critical think.
Today I attended the Jobs in the EU after Brexit, and I found it really interesting.
I learned that what sort of links I could use, what sort of contacts I could go to in order to find those particular job and places, and what skills are employers looking for generally on a day-to-day basis. So I'm really happy with the experience that I've had so far.
The university is all about planning. If you've got the schedule and if you give yourself some time for your activities that's going to enrich you beyond the university, beyond the assessments you're doing, beyond the lectures you're going and seminars you're attending, this is what helps you to develop yourself, your professional skills and knowledge as well.
Many students should definitely consider the Academic Enrichment Programme because not only is it a huge investment in their potential career, their time, but it's a brilliant way for them to really consolidate their learning in a way where they're leading that investigation.
They can actually be involved in organising the events, in inviting speakers. They could sit on a panel themselves to debate a particular topic. And we get really great feedback from students about the Academic Enrichment Programme.